Welcome friends. We are continuing from the previous tutorial where I have demonstrated a local DNS hack, and now let me show you how it's done. I am running on Windows XP, and if you are on a Windows machine it will be very easy. If you are on a Linux or Mac machine you can do it either. Just search about DNS hacking and you will get it in minutes. So go to Start menu, open My Computer, open C drive, Windows, System 32, go to Drivers and now go to etc. You can see there are 5 files here, and the file for which we are looking is hosts. So right click on that file and open it with any text editor. You can do it with Notepad. Here I have installed Notepad++, so I will open it with Notepad++. Now this file is your local DNS, and what it does is it provides the IP address for the domains. Now you can see how our Google magic worked. We have inserted one entry where the domain name is google.com with www or without www, and its IP was 127.0.0.1, which is our local IP. So whenever our computer tries to go to the google.com, it resolves the physical address as this address, and so the site is being served. Now let me tell you what are the threats of this hack. Suppose some hacker have hacked your DNS and he puts the domain name as any bank or PayPal or any sensitive website. Let's say www.bankofbaroda.com, and in the place of IP address the hacker puts his own IP, so that whenever your computer wants to connect to that bank website, it resolves the IP address of that hacker's server, and then hacker can access all your credentials and sensitive information, and he can use it for his own purpose. So in that way, if someone can hack your computer and hack your DNS, he can actually access all your sensitive and confidential information. This was the local DNS. Now above this local DNS there is a network sized DNS, which may be in your router or any other networking device that is in the upper stack of your computer network. So if the hacker can access that particular DNS, he can hack into that and do the same which he could have been done with the local DNS. And there are some companies and communities who are providing DNS solutions and services which is on a very large and global scale, and they provide it securely. So in the next tutorial I will show you how to prevent from DNS hacking. Thank you.